The office is getting a bit repetitive. Caffeine Machine is open. I got me ticket.
You got
Where's
your
my ticket?
No.
How did I lose the ticket? What was I talking about? We got the ticket to Caffeine Machine. We are attending Friday Sundowners. Let's do it. Let's go to Caffeine Machine. We bought the Tesla today because the Porsche is unavailable. We've got 3 people, and the Merc is in bits, obviously, and the X5, well, that, so it's just that left the Tesla. And what's funnier than bringing an electric car to Caffeine Machine? For and giggles. Basically, pal, there's some farm equipment being towed up ahead, so we're having to go 29 in a 60. Finally, I Caffeine Machine. I didn't even put my thumbs up. I just did the action. I didn't... Right, okay, so finally I Caffeine Machine. Those of you who don't know, it's basically a pub, a car meet, a forum, a show, a place to hang out, to look at cars, get food. It's everything all in one.
Marshmallows.
Whose horse is that? So, Tesla, electric vehicle, bring it into petrol haven. Tesla. What am I even trying to say?
This is a Tesla, it's electric. Why the f is it here, stupid idiot car? Why the f would you bring it here? We should call this vlog good at first but gets more drunk and drunk as he goes.
I'm not even drunk. I'm not even drunk, I think.
Yeah, but it's me and I'm taking over the camera tonight.
E39 M5. This car's a ripper.
For real?
Bottom end bearings. No, seriously. Bottom end bearings. Shells get f***ed. I've done the job on this, and I've also done the job on the E92 M3. Bottom end bearings again. Ha! I'll tell you what my problem is. This car is f***ing iconic. This is like the best, most like modern yet classic BMW E39 M5. This is epitome of BMW engineering, and it's here in the corner. It should be over there, not some McLaren you can buy to brand new in seconds. This is it. This is motoring, not that.
You and your McLaren, guys, f***ing BMW.
This is motoring.
die.
I know, it's all a bit much, isn't it?
So that is caffeine, and somebody needs to fix that guy's eyes. Okay, that's Caffeine Machine. Good times, good food, good company, cool cars. Got out and about after lockdown. Nice to get out, see people. Me tired. Gotcha. You all know Tinchy Strider, but have you met Evie Wider?